Hello y'all, what's up? I'm here at this car wash here at Farmington, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's been a while since I've been at this location where I made a video. This is one of my other favorite car washes where they have an automatic bay that has my favorite system, Magic Wand Nexus Vortex. I think it's still in there. It looks like to be replaced, but that's the light part of it. Anyway, before I take a look at the automatic, I'm going to show you guys the vacuums. I'm going to see if I can find any towels that could say we can use to get home. They have some vacuums here. Doesn't look too promising for this one, but they have a shampoo vacuum. I mean, it's always there, and see if there's any coins too and some other rare things. But oh, what is this? Oh, it's nothing. Yeah, and they have 4 self-serve bays. And so here's a coin right here. Here's a coin. That's nice find. Yeah, this one is $1.50 for vacuum. This one has silver hose. There's a dime right here. Oh wow, it looks like the vacuum hose came off this one. Wow. That's not a good sign. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at the garbage can in a second, so give me a sec. Yeah. Anyway, let's take a look at our self-serve base really quick before I check out the automatic bay. This one has Magic Wand car wash equipment. They have surveillance cameras here. I'll be shocked if this one's still here or not. But I think it's replaced. I'm not sure. Anyway, let's take a look at our automatic bay. Before I take a look at the automatic bay, I'm going to show you guys the vending machines. We got the wet towel, tire shine, arm roll, super blue truck towel, arm roll original protecting sponge. Then you got your vending machine freshener. We got coconut, cinnamon, berry, jasmine. I never heard of that before. Wild cherry, peach, and it looks like they had cinnamon apple. Huh, those are rare. And then you got your change machine. I think it's locked. Yeah, it's locked. Oh, there's a. Anyway, now let's take a look at the automatic bay. Let's see if how the Magic Wand Nexus Vortex is doing. Let's see. Takes cards. Oh, it's closed. I thought it was open because I would have gone through. That's closed. All right. Let's see if the Magic Wand Nexus Vortex is still on there. Oh, it is, but I mean, it's used for storage though, but it's dirty in there, so couldn't tell. Anyway, yeah, so I think this one's it's Juds Suds though, but that's the name of this car wash. But anyway, we'll take a look at the other side really quick. Let's see if I can check it out real quick. So again, it's just traffic. There was the sun right here, but now it's gone. Now it's taken out. So I think it's a new car wash. Let's see if I can see the system. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the system's still in there. There's a truck bay in there, so it's used for storage. Oh my god. Wow, I thought it was going. I thought it was going to be replaced with like a brand new WashWorld Razor. But it turns out to be it's not. So let me just turn the camera so I can get something so I can do the entrance here. So just let everybody know, subscribers know on Facebook as well. I mean, I'm going to post on Facebook. Magic Wand Nexus Vortex still in here. I'll check it out sometime soon. I'm really trying to get hold of the owner and see if they can sell this baby beauty right here to me or not, because I'm trying to collect many Magic Wand Nexus Vortex. It's my all-time favorite, helps my anxiety. And there's no other vacuums here. I mean, this is a beauty piece of vintage. Yeah, as you can see, there's the other entrance right there, but I think it's closed. Yeah, well, hopefully this doesn't get replaced. I mean, I'm gonna check what if it does try to get replaced. I'm gonna try talking to the owner, see if it's very friendly, and see if they can possibly give me the machine and stuff like this. Other than that, yeah, it's nice. Especially it's green and gray. It's nice colors. Other than that, yeah. So yeah, this is a piece of beauty, and this is my favorite color vacuum hose. It's yellow. It's my favorite. See if I can get a picture of it. That's beauty. So other than that, yeah, they took down the wash menu sign. So that being said, that's all for right now. And then we got some honeycomb trees right here, which I'll check out sometime soon. We'll go from there. So I'll check them out some more to where I gotta get going. So that being said, I'm gonna try to head out. As you can see, I get my mom's permission to see if I head over to Dollar General right there and go from there. See if they have any decorations and go from there. So that being said, thanks for watching. More videos coming soon. See ya.